Hi guys, welcome to the series and my first YouTube video. Now, what I'm going to be showing you today is a simple canvas animation. So this video is going to be like an introduction and setup. So firstly, you want to create the standard sort of website files. And so those are index.html, main.js, and style.css. And if you've got Atom text editor, that's great because it's got lots of autocomplete stuff and things like that. So what you want to do is come into your index.html file and just type in HTML, press tab. Oh my. Okay. Press tab. And there we have a HTML template. Now give your page a title. So I'm going to call my simple canvas animation. Okay. Now what you want to do is okay, so we'll just test this first. Okay, and we'll load this, and here we get our page with simple canvas animation as its title. Now, next thing you want to do is just type canvas. There we go, and here we have our canvas element. And okay. Now remember this attribute ID, so that's what this element is referenced to on the DOM, the document object model. And so basically this is referenced as canvas from anywhere else, so that's how we'll reference it in our JavaScript program. Okay. Let's run that. Okay, go. Here we have our canvas element. Now, let's start with our JavaScript. Now, what we're going to need to do is just link our JavaScript file, and to do that, we just type script. There we go. And there we go, that's great. Okay, now just put src main.js, and that's basically saying use this script here, so just run all the code that's in here. Okay, yep. And to test that, we'll just do console.log hello world. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I've got to figure out my keys. And here we have it, hello world. So we've successfully linked our JavaScript file. Always good practice to put semicolons at the end of statements. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do is just grab this canvas element using the DOM. Now, I said to remember this name, and you're going to need to use that by saying C equals yeah, so document.get element by ID, and just paste in, whoops, just put in whatever your canvas element's ID was. Okay, and then we'll just do canvas equals, actually what, let me just do, we'll call this one canvas, and we'll call this C. So C equals canvas dot get context 2D. Okay, so that's just so that you can draw simple shapes. There we go. And yeah, so we'll just console.log C. Okay. Oh, okay. Document. Okay. Oh, okay. Capitalization. Yeah. And this is the reason why it's good to regularly test your code, because if you start writing more complex stuff and you get simple things wrong, you might not be able to spot them. So here we go. Canvas rendering context 2D. Perfect. Now though, if you just take a look at these attributes here, we've got fill style, font, and we're going to use these later in this series. Stroke style. Okay, so those are sort of main ones. Okay, now what we're going to do is just draw a simple line. Now firstly, let's just get the canvas to fill the entire screen, because at the moment it's only filling 300 by 150 pixels, which is a tiny portion of the screen, so you can make use of all the space. Yeah. Okay, so what you want to do is C dot width. So you're basically setting the width attribute of the canvas to what we're going to type next, which is window dot inner width. There we go. And C dot height equals window dot inner height. And so most things stem from window, so that's why inner width and inner height are from the window object, which has the dimensions of the page. Okay, now let's see if that's worked. Okay. Strange. Window dot it's canvas dot width and canvas dot height. Okay, right. Okay, I'm gonna stop waffling in a minute. Okay, there we go. Now it's filling the entire space that it can fill. Right. Now let's do some fun stuff, because we haven't got a lot of time left. So what we're going to do is just imagine that there's a pen on the canvas. So we're going to use the C dot move to function. So move to, and then it's got an X and Y, arguments. It takes X and Y arguments, Now let's just move it to the middle of the screen page. So that will be canvas.width divided by 2 and canvas.height divided by 2. Okay, and then we'll do c.line line 2, and we'll just copy and paste here. So instead of height divided by 2, we'll do height divided by 2 plus about 100 pixels. That should be enough. And then finally, we just do c.stroke. Yep. Okay, that should be it. Okay, and there we have it. We have our line on our canvas, and just to prove that it's, you know, filling the whole page, you can just reload it, and canvas.width divided by 2 becomes this line here. Okay, well, that's going to wrap things up for this video, and just, you know, experiment with it. Yeah. And in the next video, what we're going to do is start drawing some different shapes, and we might get into the animation loop. And as you know, I'll just show you how to fill shapes and fill the background in preparation for animation. Okay? Alright. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.